What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now today we're going to be unboxing the Nintendo Entertainment System controllers, which is the NES, and it's for the online, so we can have a better experience playing like the old times. But yeah, here are the controllers. Looks pretty sick. Now I never did an unboxing of this, but I have this one, and this one is pretty good. But for some reason I remember these being like blue, red, and like green and yellow. I kind of wanted that one, but yeah, there's these ones though, which I think these ones are the regular ones, probably for North America. And then for some reason I remember like some other version of it, but yeah, these ones are pretty cool. But yeah, let's get right into it. Here is the box. Oh, probably too big for the camera. Anyways, there's nothing on the side, so it doesn't matter. On the back tells you what to do with it. Opening it, and there's a little pull tab. Okay, this thing just slid off. There's like a plastic thing to protect it, but here's the real deal. Is there anything under? Oh, there could be something in there or something, maybe. But yeah. Ooh, I think I remember that these things have like a weird charging thing because they have to go on the switch, which is pretty funny. Alright, we'll have to pick it up. Here it is in all its glory. What the heck? This thing looks amazing. But yeah, here's the D-pad, select, start, BA, if you remember this. I kind of played it when I was a little kid. I was like playing like Super Mario, and then I remember having this, and then Duck Hunt also. But yeah, this is the only changes is up here, which I've decided into the switch. Here is the back, press this button to take it off the switch, and yeah. Okay, the thing is up here. And then this one came with no battery. The other ones did. Let's open the second one. Yeah, here's the two controllers. They feel amazing. Actually, probably not amazing, but identical like how they were. I remember like being square and everything. And right there, boom. Oh, and then when you buy it, you get two of them. And then you only get one of this. So yeah, here's the controllers, and let me know what you guys think, and peace out.